Times Now is now learning that the first arrest has already happened in the case, and it has been confirmed by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. One person named Ritom Singh has been arrested for circulating fake videos. Himanta Biswa Sarma has tweeted, and I quote, Assam police have arrested an individual named Ritom Singh in connection with the fake video involving Honorable Home Minister Shri Amit Shah. It is political season. While all political parties look to make political arguments and counter the other side, now fakery has entered into the scene as well. Priyank, what more details do we have about Ritom Singh? Priyank, can you hear me? Right, we'll try and get Priyank on the line over there. But the first arrest has happened in the crackdown that has been started. Multiple FIRs, the sources were telling us, will be filed by BJP leaders against handles who have been spreading fakery. Remember, when the complaint was filed, they have also attached the details of handles who have been helping in sharing this fake information. Meanwhile, BJP has also decided to move Election Commission. They are now asking the poll body also to take action against those who are colluding and conniving to spread fakery, to influence voters, who are manipulating media in order to impact the voters.
सौरभ जी आईडी दीजिए। सौरभ तुम तो पीछे मत रहो भाई। ठीक है
जी सर। साथियों, चुनाव के पूरे प्रोसेस को जिस तरह से डीप फेक और मॉर्फ वीडियो के जरिए से, नकली वीडियो के जरिए से कांग्रेस पार्टी पूरे चुनाव के प्रोसेस को डिरेल करना चाहती है, उसको प्रॉब्लम में डालना चाहती है, उसके विरोध में जाके आज हमने इलेक्शन कमीशन के सामने शिकायत की है कि किस तरह से कांग्रेस पार्टी ने अपने ऑफिशियल हैंडल से डीप फेक मैसेज डाल के जनता में भ्रम फैलाने की कोशिश की है। इसके ऊपर कठोर से कठोर कार्रवाई की जाए, ऐसा हमने इलेक्शन कमीशन से आज निवेदन किया है। साथ ही साथ जिस तरह से वेस्ट बंगाल में, पश्चिम बंगाल में बहुत एक वायलेंस को, वहाँ की टीएमसी पार्टी ने वायलेंस को अपना एक हथियार बना के रखा है, अपना एक नॉर्मल आदत बना के रखी है। उसके विरोध में भी आज इलेक्शन कमीशन में शिकायत की है। इलेक्शन फ्री एंड फेयर हो, ऐसा भारतीय जनता पार्टी हमेशा प्रयास करती है, चाहती है, इसीलिए आज इलेक्शन कमीशन ने बात रखी। धन्यवाद।
So the matter has now reached the poll body as well. Like I was saying earlier, the complaint that the MHA has had also submitted with it details of handles who have posted such videos that have been manipulated. There are links from these videos as well as details of the handles. Rishabh, what exactly is BJP expecting the Election Commission to do in this case?
Definitely, BJP has approached the Election Commission. Remember, there was a deep fake video of Home Minister Amit Shah over the reservation that was being circulated on social media. The Delhi police has taken cognizance of it. The Delhi police have also summoned the Telangana Chief Minister over this issue. Now, a delegation from BJP led by Ashwini Vaishnav, Union Minister for Railways and Information Technology, have approached the Election Commission of India, complaining about the video and demanding a strict action. We'll try and talk to Mr. Om Pathak as well, who was part of the delegation, the BJP delegation that went in Election Commission. Let me try and talk to Mr. Om Pathak as well. Sir, you were inside with the delegation. What are the major reservations that you have put forward to Election Commission?
We spoke about the deep fakes and we said it's a matter of great concern. The Commission has reiterated several times that technology should not be abused. But that regardless, Congress party has little respect for law. little respect for rules, and they've gone on happily with gay abundance, flouting every rule of the Election Commission. So we requested the Election Commission to act fast and act firmly.
So Delhi police have also taken a cognizance of this case. Revanth Reddy, who is Chief Minister of Telangana, has been summoned on May 1st. How do you see that?
Yes, our law should take its own course, whoever it be. We are all subject to the provisions of the law. So regardless of the office you occupy, the law will reach out to you.
Thank you, sir. So you heard it here, Om Pathak, who was part of the BJP delegation that went in to the Election Commission of India, saying that the Congress party, the BJP says that the Congress party has taken law into their hands and they have asked the Election Commission to act fast on this issue. Remains to be seen how things unfold there.
Rishabh, while they have asked for swift action in this case, do we know if they have identified against who precisely are they going to take action? Do we know any details of those who are going to face action?
The BJP has filed a complaint. BJP has approached the Election Commission against the Congress Party, Indian National Congress as an entity, against the social media department of INC, as well as the leaders, the members of Congress Party who have shared this video on their social media, which also includes Telangana Congress. Remember, Revanth Reddy has not been summoned as Telangana Chief Minister, but the Chief of Telangana Congress, because the video was also being shared by the official Twitter handle of INC Telangana. Apart from that, Supriya Sinait has and others have also shared that, and that's what Congress Party is saying. The BJP is saying that the leaders of Congress Party are indulging in malpractices, and hence action and strict action should be taken against them. That's what they demanded the Election Commission.
Right. In fact, even as we speak, Times now has accessed the notice that has been served by Delhi police to Telangana Congress Chief Revanth Reddy. My colleague is now joining me from the newsroom for more details of the contents of what exactly does this notice say. It's over to you.
Yes, Priya. In fact, a quick correction there. This is, as Rishabh was just telling us, this is a notice which has not been sent to Revanth Reddy. He has been summoned. However, it's a notice which has been sent to Shri Asma Taslim, the spokesperson of the Congress of the Telangana Pradesh Congress Committee, the TPCC. And this is a notice which says that this is seeking the production and information in connection with the case number such and such by the Delhi police. This is to state that the above mentioned case is being investigated by the undersigned, which is of course the Delhi police. For the purpose of the investigation, we are hereby directed through this notice to provide the below mentioned details, documents, and as well as electronic gadgets to the undersigned by 1st of May. In fact, this should be done in the Dwarka police station jurisdiction. What they have sought from the Telangana Congress spokesperson is first the video which was tweeted and retweeted by you on your social media handle. Also the mobile, the laptop, the tablet or any other electronic device through which you have created or uploaded or tweeted this video on your X account. Also the electronic device which was used by you for the purpose of recording this video before uploading and tweeting the same. This of course is a notice which has been signed by Inspector Neeraj Chaudhary of the Special Cell of the Delhi Police. Back to you.
All right, so these in fact are notices that have been served to multiple Congress leaders in Telangana. Manish Satish, Naveen, Shivashankar, Asma Taslim. These are all people who have been found to have shared a video that is said to be manipulated. But how did this controversy start? Now, several handles had started putting out information that was misleading. Clearly, we showed you the 2 bites where Amit Shah had originally said that he was against any religion-based quota because the constitution is also against the same, which was misrepresented. And now, on multiple occasions, leaders of the Congress party, while addressing the public, were also found to be repeating the same claim that if BJP comes to power after elections, they are going to do away with reservation per se, thereby depriving the SCs, STs and the OBC. And one of those people making such claims was Rahul Gandhi himself.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी, बीजेपी के लोग कहते हैं हम आरक्षण को खत्म कर देंगे। जहां भी कमजोर लोगों को थोड़ा सा फायदा मिलता है, किसानों को थोड़ा सा फायदा मिलता है, मजदूरों को, छोटे व्यापारियों को थोड़ा सा फायदा मिलता है, वहां ये लोग, उनका ध्यान चला जाता है और उसको बंद करने की कोशिश करते हैं। कभी कहते हैं, इनके लोग कहते हैं कि हम आरक्षण खत्म कर देंगे, और फिर बयान आते हैं नहीं, हम आरक्षण के खिलाफ नहीं है। रिजर्वेशन को खत्म करने का तरीका प्राइवेटाइजेशन, रिजर्वेशन को खत्म करने का तरीका अग्निवीर।
आप लोग मोहन भगवत जी आरएसएस चीफ ने रिजर्वेशन रहित भारत बनाएंगे बोल के बोले, नहीं बोले। और आज की तारीख में कैश सेंसस के लिए कांग्रेस पार्टी डिमांड करे तो, और पार्लियामेंट के तरफ से, आप सरकार की तरफ से सुप्रीम कोर्ट में इसके खिलाफ एफिडेविट डाले नहीं डाले, सीधा सीधा बीजेपी से पूछ रहे, ये जवाब दीजिए। आज जो अमित शाह बात कहे, वो बात मार्केट में आए तो आप पुलिस से डराने की, धमकाने की कोशिश, आप तो सीबीआई, ईडी, एनफोर्समेंट है, अभी पुलिस को भी इस्तेमाल करके सरकार को डराने की कोशिश कर रहे। आप ऐसा हमारे ऊपर एक लगाना है तो 100 आपके ऊपर लगाना पड़ता है। इस देश में गलत न्यूज फैलाने में आप डॉक्टरेट है, आपका व्हाट्सएप यूनिवर्सिटी ऐसी यही काम कर रहे हैं। आप पहले उसको समझाने के लिए, उसको जैसा जितने भी गलत न्यूज फैलाया उनके ऊपर केस लगाने के बाद कांग्रेस तक आओ। कांग्रेस यही बात कहते हैं, बोलने की मतलब एक ही है,